Hello student, in this section of video we will deal with the concept of subtraction and we will see how the large numbers are subtracted from one to other. Although the concept will remain same for the smaller number also. Now see, quickly moving to the concept first. See, we have to subtract 2098431 from 9023267109. Now before moving to the subtraction, the concept of borrow is very necessary to explain. See, without the concept of borrow we would not able to understand the concept of subtraction. Now see, for the concept of borrow we will see this example first. For example, we have to subtract 209 from 902. See, we will write like this. See, we have to subtract 9 from 2 now. See, 2 is smaller, so we cannot subtract 9 from the 2. So we will take one borrow from here. But here is 0 again. So we could not take 1 from the 0. Now we will take one borrow from 9 to this 0. Now this 0, after getting 1, will convert into 10. See, 10 is here. Now from 10 we will take one borrow. Since we have taken one borrow, 9 will be left here. Now this 1 will comprise this number to 12. Since we have borrowed 1 and that will be acting as tens. So 10 plus 2, 12 is here. Now see, we have to subtract. Now ultimately the final number that we are having is 12 and we have to subtract 9 from the 12. See, 9 minus from 12 we are getting 3. Now finally we are having 9 now. 9 minus 0 we are having 9. Now see, since we have already subtracted, already taken borrow from 9, so we are left with a number 8. See, 8. Now we have to subtract 2 from the 8. We are having 6. So this is the concept of borrow actually. In the whatever is in the circle, that is borrowed number, and whatever the blocks are there, that numbers are formed after taking the borrow. Now I think the whole concept of borrow is clear to you. Now we will move to our real question. Now see, I have categorized the question: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore and arab. Now see, here borrow column is there, form digit after borrow, digit formed after borrow. We have made 3 columns for the sake of understanding the concept well. See, now subtraction is going to start. See, 7 is subtracted from 9, we will get 2. Now 9 is need to be subtracted from 0, which is not possible. So we take one borrow from here, as I have shown. Now after getting one borrow, our number is converted to 10. Now we have to subtract 9 from the 10 and we are getting 1. Now moving here, since we have taken one borrow, now the number left is here is 0. So 0 minus 0, we will be having 0 here. Now 7 minus 1, 6 we are getting, you can see. Now 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3 we are getting 3. Now we have to subtract 4 from the 2, which is not possible. So we will take one borrow from here. We will take one borrow from here. After taking borrow, it is 3. Now number left is 2. Now here, now after taking borrow, the number formed is 12. So 12 minus 4 we are getting 8. Now see, after the taking of borrow, the number formed is 2 here now. Now we will not focus on 3, focus on 2. Now 8 is subtracted from 2, which is not possible. Now again we will take one borrow, and this one borrow will convert this 2 into 12. So we will subtract 8 from the 12. We will get 4. See here. Now see, the number left here is now 1. That should be mentioned actually. Now see, after the borrow, we are left with 1. Now 9 is subtracted from 1, which is not possible, so we will take again borrow from 0, which is not possible, so we will take 1 borrow from here, and this will convert this number to 10. Now we will take 1 borrow from 10 over here, so this number will be converted to 11. Actually, now we have taken 1 borrow from 10. Now this number is converted into 11 as we have written here. Now we will subtract 9 from the 11. We will getting 2. Now here, see, since here 10 was there, now we need not to focus on this. 10 was there. Now after giving 1 borrow, 9 is left. So 0 is subtracted from 9. We will be having 9. Now here the actual number after giving borrow is 8. Now we have to subtract 2 from the 8, and we are having 6 as our after subtraction we are getting 6. Now see, we will impose, since the numbers are given in the Indian system of numeration, we will do the same thing over here also. See, now see, we have put comma after 100 place, then we have put comma after 10,000 place, then we have put comma after 10 lakh, then we have put comma after 10th crore. Now Arab. See, what is the number found? 6 Arab 92 crore 48 lakh 36,012. This is the required number that we have obtained after the subtraction. I hope you have understand the concept of subtraction. Solve more and more question based on subtraction to clear your concept of subtraction. I hope you have understand this concept. Stay blessed. Stay at home since Corona is going on. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.